Where's he going? Oh, Shrek, where you going, Shrek? Where's Shrek going? Yay! Say go! 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 Tell him to go, Christina.
Bye, Shrek. I don't know if this is the point.
Wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Tell us about your train. Well, it's hauling Shrek away. Where is he taking Shrek?
He takes Shrek to the dungeon.
To the dungeon. Oh, go.
That's the dungeon.
Go.
Yeah.
Go.
You are such a naughty one. You're a character. Every time I see you, you're eating.
Smile, Mom.
Come on, my get upstairs.
Hi, Shrek. He's Shrek fell. Wait, we gotta wait for him to stop. We gotta wait for him to stop, Boo. No, don't let him run him over. We gotta wait for the train to stop. No, he's gonna die. Ah, Shrek died. Shrek died. Oh, Shrek. Uh-oh. See, you can't let it, it's gonna get derailed. When you put stuff on the thingy, it'll stop running and it'll break. Don't break it. That's a tunnel.
That's a train. She loves this train.
Go!
Wait till you get to ride a real train. Down in Strasbourg.
No, Boo. Boo, it's gonna break. You're gonna break it. Come on, get Shrek out of there.
Old-fashioned train. It goes like in the fall.